Good day, everyone. It's a new day in the world's financial markets. Today is November 3rd, 2025, and this is part number one. In this part, we discuss the overall general direction of the markets, how they have been acting, and where we believe they will go. What are the probabilities of how the market will act, especially gold? We'll also take a look at the NASDAQ. We'll start with gold. We can see here on the daily charts, we can see the 50-day EMA. We've been talking about this quite extensively lately. This is at 38.63. That's the support. That's where it starts for gold, all the way down to the 100 EMA, 100 exponential moving average around 36.30. The best place to buy is in the middle of this. Let's call it about 37.50 or so, or 60. We'll start to be aggressive buying gold in here. Okay. But of course, we will not be short anywhere near this line. I mean, we got so close last week within 20 points or so of the 50-day EMA, and that constituted a support, okay? Some sort of a support for now. So what happens now? I see two viable options for now. We will go back down into this channel, okay? And I said we will buy in the middle of it, or we rally to the low of this bar here. This bar was significant because we dropped big that day, but we stopped on the 17th of October. And the market rallied again towards the high, but of course failed to make a new high. However, this low, which was a support at the time, it seemed to be, now is your resistance. And that's at 41.86. The low of this bar is 41.86 on the XAU. So for now, for any type of swing trade, a swing trade is the one that we keep with us for days or weeks, we are selling. We have an order to sell at 41.86, and we also have an order to buy at 37.70 to be exact. So that's as far as swing trading. Okay, this could happen anytime. It could happen in the middle of the night, afternoon, the morning. It doesn't matter. We have those buy orders and sell orders in place. As far as today is concerned, of course, we gather data from 3 a.m. to 9 a.m. Eastern time, and then we'll decide the best course of action, whether we believe the market is uptrend, downtrend, or sideways. But that's for later. So now we'll take a quick look at the NASDAQ. Here's the NASDAQ. And it's pretty similar as far as the overall direction. It's up. And we recently, on the 10th of October, we did touch the 50-day EMA quite nicely and then rallied from it even better. We made a new high. So this market is uptrend, very healthy, no issues. We're not even that far from the 50-day EMA. We should be at least, 13 or more % above it to consider it overbought. Now, of course, we could drop, we could pull back, but I don't see any reason to be too concerned. And now, if I have to think about where's the best place to buy, it'll be the high here. So the high on the NASDAQ here was 25,200. This is the best place to buy for a swing trade. But as far as where to sell, I don't have any sell because it's 2,000 points above here. There's no point in talking about it at this time. So that's what I have for now. We'll come back later by 9 a.m. and talk about how we will day trade the equity markets and the gold for today. Until that time, I wish everyone the best of luck and thank you.